Hey guys, hi, I'm Chris and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm just doing a quick flight with Sonny. He let me actually borrow his Mobula 6 HD. This is one of my very first times flying an HD camera that's built into the drone. If you've used the Mobula 6 HD before, hit the like button. If you're coming from a camera platform device, you'll be very surprised. It's not going to be to the stableness of camera platform drone. That's not what this was implemented for. This is not going to cut it if you're going to do professional stuff with it. While it is nice, you do notice it's equivalent to like cell phones maybe like 5 years ago. This is a nice little thing to share. Do you feel it's usable for anything other than sharing on social media or friends? The device luckily is really nice to fly. I would highly recommend just skipping this and just getting the actual Mobula 6, which is I believe more peppy because it doesn't carry the weight of an HD camera. If you fly analog and it's kind of wobbly like this, then it kind of passes, right? Because they know you're in training. Once people see HD, I feel people can judge you and they expect you to fly smooth. Like they expect you to have real steady go. Or have you used any built-in DVR for actual work? What do you use it for? Leave a comment below. Again, I just wanted to share my first impressions using one of these devices. Thanks you guys for tuning in. See you guys next time. Bye.